Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the WALLACE Small Sutton Deluxe. So one thing that I quickly realized when I was creating my 2023 favorites video on my favorite bags as well as my favorite wallets and pouches is that some of my core like favorite bags from brands, I have not done a packing video, just like a straight up review and packing video on those styles in years. And this is one that I found that I have not done just a regular straight up like what's in my bag on this one in so long. Like I know in the back of my mind I'm like, oh, I've reviewed that bag 100 times. No one wants to see me do that one again. Yet a lot of you requested it, and I realized it's because I think the only like packing video that I've done on this bag is like 5-6 years ago. So obviously I don't pack the same stuff in there. The bags are a bit different. So I'm going to kind of look through the archives of some of my videos and really try to like concentrate on some of those core bags the first part of 2024 to give you guys a little bit of like an update on some of my like all-time favorites. So this one here, like I said, is the WALLACE Small Sutton Deluxe in the beautiful dahlia color. I believe this one is still on the website. It was like just yesterday or the day before when I looked. This is a little bit, I don't want to say older of a color, a couple of months I think is when this one came out, but it's kind of hung around here for a little while. The WALLACE Suttons as well as the Metro bags, there's always tons of colors available in them. Like I said, they're like staple bags for WALLACE, so they typically will get released seasonally with new fun prints and things like that. And this is one that you can almost always find a really cute print or color in. Okay, so why do I love this bag? There's a lot of reasons I love this bag. One, I absolutely love that you can clip down the sides here and give it an entirely different look. I love that it has this short, cute little grab handle at the top of the bag, which is typically the way that I carry this one because I love clipping down the sides of the bag. Now you can unclip them and attach the crossbody or shoulder strap that comes with this bag. I'll show you that here on the body in just a second so that you can see what it looks like. I very rarely will use that just because I love the way that it looks like this. But if I'm out and about and I need to be hands-free, I definitely always keep it inside the bag just so that I can have that option. On the very top of the bag, you do have a piece of leather here, so just kind of adds that little accent as well as kind of keeps the top of it nice and sturdy. And on the bottom, you have a couple of leather feet there as well. As far as exterior pockets, you have two here, one on the front of the bag, and then you also have one here on the back of the bag. And then you have some pockets inside the bag as well. Two zippers, so it opens up nice and wide. You can get everything that you need in and out of here really easily. You have two trimmed leather pockets on one side. You have a zipper pocket on the other side. And then inside you also have, I can find it, a key leash, or you can use this to attach to a pouch or what have you. All of the Sutton bags do come with a pouch, just like all of the Metro bags from WALLACE. You can actually use these to store your bag, which makes it really easy, especially if you're traveling and you wanna throw one of these inside your suitcase to kind of have at your destination whenever you get there. They fold up nice and small and compact, and you can put them in here, and it's just like a nice little case to kind of keep it all together. As far as the different ways that you can carry this bag, obviously you can carry it here over the crook of your arm, just like so, which is how I typically carry it. You cannot put this, these straps over your arm here. You would need to use the crossbody strap that comes with the bag. So let's go ahead and kind of put that on so I can show you what it looks like. All right, so when you attach it here to the bag, it gives a much different shape because the sides are not buckled down. Gives a little bit more of like a boxier look. So you can shorten this crossbody or shoulder strap to wear here over your shoulder, like so. Or you can make it just a little bit longer if need be and wear it crossbody over your body, like that. So you could definitely wear this bag a couple of different ways. All right, let's go ahead and put the camera down and pack this one up so that you can see what fits inside. Goodness gracious, every single time that I pack up the small Sutton, I am instantly reminded at why I love this bag and how awesome it is. It is one of my favorite MZ Wallaces, for sure, hands down. I have it here all packed up for just like typical day. I do usually keep these sides clamped down, unless of course I want to be like hands-free or something, and then I will put them up and wear a crossbody. But for right now, they are kind of clamped down on the sides. I have the newest iPhone. This is an iPhone 15 Max Plus. It's like the bigger one. I don't know what the names are. But as you can see, I can fit it in here vertically, no problem. Like it's kind of fits in there perfect. So usually I keep my phone on me, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show you what it looked like. Also, I wanted to show you this new phone case that I recently got. I shared it over on Instagram briefly too, but long story short, I had to get a new phone kind of unexpectedly. My other one basically caught fire. It was kind of bizarre, but so I was forced to kind of look into a new phone case and all that. But this one is from Ondar. It is like full grain leather. It is so soft and it's MagSafe compatible, which was super important to me. I loved my old Wally case. It's still a big favorite of mine, but it was not MagSafe compatible. So this tripod here that I'm using, I can just pop my phone on and off of it without having to take my entire phone case off. And that was really important to me. So it's MagSafe compatible. I have this just little loop thing. I need a different one of these. I don't love this at all, but I love this. So I want to find something. And also like a little phone holder in your car or something like that. You can obviously use tons of different things. It's like really, really sturdy. Again, I'm not really loving this white thing, but this case it's so good, so good. I love it. So I have that in the front pocket. Over here in this back pocket, I usually always keep the same things. I have gum and I have my hand sanitizer. Touchland, love it. Had in my bags for years. Opening up the main bulk of the bag, I love that it has double leather zipper pulls on this one because it opens up nice and wide, even with these sides kind of clamped down. So this here is what it looks like all packed up. I love that my book just happens to match the bag right now. Definitely did not do that on purpose, but when I put it in there, I was like, oh, look at that. Anyways, so attached here to the key leash, I actually just have my keys. I can easily put my keys in the outside pocket too, if I wanted to, like one of these. I just have my big O-Venture kind of key ring on there, so I can easily find my keys. And then back here in this zipper pocket, I actually have something, shockingly. I have my phone charger. And what I love about this one is it will tell you, if you push on the side here, how much, like this one's 100% full, so that's awesome. And there's different cords. So with my new iPhone, this is the like cord it takes. So I have one for that. I have one for the old iPhone, which everybody else in my family has basically. And then I have these other ones. So just kind of serves like the purpose of like can charge everything basically. So I have that back there in the back. Then of course I have the book that I'm reading. This is Meet Me at the Lake. I just started it, so I'm not sure if I recommend it, but I love everything by her, so I'm sure I will. Standing right up here, just kind of hanging out in the bag, I do have my hand cream, Blood Orange. It's a hand and body goat milk cream by, however you say that brand, I'm not sure, but I absolutely love it. It smells so good. In these two little pockets here in the front, I have my eyeglasses just stuck inside this one, and then in this pocket here, I have two little granola bars. So I have a Kind bar, a large one, and then I also have, oh, I have a pen in there too, and a smaller one. Then what's left is my wallet and the medium and small pouch of the Mina Bay Mia pouch trio set. So I'll just start with this smaller one here. These are full grain leather. They're so soft. They're definitely favorites of mine. Inside this small one here, I actually just have my pillowcase. I have some Band-Aids and some cough drops. I will kind of open this one up so that you can see it for those of you that might have missed my last video where I showed this, because I think it is so cool. It's like next level. Just a little thing. So that fits perfectly down in there, and then I'm able to just put like a small little mini med kit, I guess, if you will. The next item in here is the wallet that I'm currently using, and it is another Mina Bay product. This is the larger of the two wallets actually that they offer, and I love it. There's a pocket here, pocket on the back, a nice zipper pocket that can hold cash or change or whatever, and then on the very back you have a spot for all of your cards. So it's nice and thin and fits in there really well. Last but not least is the medium pouch in this pouch trio set. It's exactly like the small one, only just a little bit bigger. And inside here, I just have all of the small things in my bag. I have the scrunchie, there's tons of lip products in here. I have my cuticle cream that I love, hair ties, bobby pins, a couple of different lip glosses that I'm loving. This, I literally don't leave home without it. I'm obsessed with it. It's actually a lip sleeping mask, but I use it all day long. And this is like a vanilla scent. It's really, really yummy. I'm actually almost out. I need to get another one. And that is everything I have packed up inside. I love this bag. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in seeing the MZ Wallace Small Sutton Deluxe bag, kind of a little bit of an updated packing video, if you will. I will have the link to MZ Wallace as well as my What's in My Bag link at the top of the, or pinned at the top of the comments, as well as down in the description box, so that you can easily find links to anything that I talked about today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.